Let's follow me how to make text effect like this. First, prepare the background. Lock layer 1 and add a new layer. Insert text. Right-click and create outlines. Press D and slash. I want to change this to white outline for temporary. Selection, Object, Path, Offset Path. Selection, Pathfinder, Unite. Fill color with no outline. Go to Effect, Stylize, Inner Glow. Change color to black. Normal mode. 100% opacity. Blur around 30. Finally, Selection, Effect, Stylize, and drop shadow. Finish. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.